Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to edit widgets on the Huawei Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just press the button at the side of your Huawei Band 10 and open the app drawer. Then go to settings. From here, just tap on custom cards. And from here, you can edit the widget section as you like. Now if you want to rearrange the widgets on your Huawei Band 10, just tap on the arrow icon and it will move the widget to the top. Just like that. And if you want to remove a specific widget, just tap on the X icon in front of that widget and select Done. Now if you want to add a widget to your Huawei Band 10, just tap on the plus icon. From here, just select the widget which you want to add. Just like that. And also some widgets support editing. Now for example, this widget has the option to customize it. Just tap on custom and from here you can customize this widget. Just select on the activity which you want to change and select another activity. Just like that. Now as you can see, this is how you can edit widgets on the Huawei Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.